All right, so today I'm out, but luckily for you, your books are in the back of the room. Okay, so no more copies. Yay. Today is 12/06. So 12/06, and your homework today is Thinking with Mathematical Models, page 100 to 102. That's due when you return. Let me check. I believe that's the 10th, and then we have a quiz on the 12th. Okay, so 12/10. Okay, these should be already completed and turned in already. Again, you have a quiz on the 12th, which is next week, Thursday. So be ready for that. All right, we're gonna jump down to we're going to finish off the one we didn't finish last time, which was, I believe, 2.1. 2.1. Okay. All right. So you should already know how to do this. We've done this already. But if you don't remember, you can follow along, or you can pause. You can, whatever you need to. So we are on page 20. You might have this on your other paper, but you can continue in your notebook and you can put these in there. I'll show you how to make a little pocket next time I'm in. Okay, so here's our equation. This one has an equation. There's our equation, y equals 10x. Okay, so our equation is now y equals 10x, and we're going to substitute each one of these into that equation to see what we get. Okay, it should be fairly easy to calculate because we're just substituting each one of these values into the x, and it's just multiplying these by 10. So the first one is y equals 10 times 1, and y equals 10. So predicting the model, we get 10. This one is right there. Okay, do it again. Y equals 10 times 2. Again, the variable x goes in there, and we get y equals 20, and that goes here. Y equals 10 times 3. Okay, you should see a pattern here. Y equals 30. So this is 30, and I believe I can go on with this pattern without having to do each one of these. This is 40, 50, and then 60. Okay. Now we got to find the difference. We're going to subtract each one of these equations to find our residuals. If we subtract each one of these from the number above it, we should end up with our residuals. 12 minus 10 is 2. 18 minus 20 is negative 2. 32 minus 30 is 2. 40 minus 40 is 0. Negative 2 and 4. Okay. Now, we can compare it to the last time. We had 4.4, 0.8, 3.2, 5. Okay. Sally thinks that this equation of the second modeling line is y equals 10x, and do you agree? The equation for this y, yes, I agree, because it is, how about this? It increases vertically 10 for every one layer. That's your x value. Okay, so we know that it's increasing according to the slope. That's our 10x. 10 y's for every x. Okay. How would you describe the errors of the prediction or the residuals for Sally's linear model? I think these are a little bit closer. The numbers or the residuals are less spread out, and there are some positives and some negatives. Okay. Go ahead and pause the video, which I should have mentioned earlier. Try and do number 4 on your own. Take 2 or 3 minutes to answer the question. And then once you're done, unpause it and we'll see what you get. Hopefully you should match something similar to what I got as well. Okay, so you've tried it, you've unpaused the video. Do the residuals suggest that one model is better than the other? And it says, is a better model. I think we can say figure 2. Figure 2 is a better model, and we can figure out why by what a lot of you guys already kind of figured, that some are positive, some are negative, and some are positive and some are negative. Actually, let's not do that.